Welcome boaters. Yeah, another boating audit. Alright, this is near Sally Boats, so I don't know if you can see up to the reeds there. Used to be able to moor all along there, apart from the turning point. But there's doubling up of boats, so I can't moor there anymore. Used to moor here, not on the turning circle, but right now apparently we can't moor here either, from here onwards. So I don't quite know what's going on. I don't see any reason why you can't moor here. Sorry, I just can't. Still, the video's showing you. So from here you've got 48 hours on this bit. Now I'm sure I've moored here for more than 2 weeks at a time, on many occasions. Never seen a sign here before. Yes, fine. But I've got a feeling someone's been kicking off about it and suddenly this sign has been here. Now I don't think this has been here. No way. Looks a new post to me. I'm getting annoyed about this because this is so many moorings I can't moor in. So, okay, you got 2 days max, the normal deal, going that way. Okay, the old stone gateposts, nothing pointing this way until you get to it. Right, so this gap here, about 20-30 foot, you could actually moor it. Well, I've got a feeling it's shallow there. Give you some bearings. So you can't moor down here. It's not exactly full-on residential. This used to be farmhouse, outbuildings. Yeah. So all here, still no signs, unkept hedge. I'm getting annoyed about this because you know, this is getting ridiculous. So as far as I can see, all the way down here, okay, there's the Bee Hive Bridge, we call it, and Canal River Trust. No mooring, no fishing, either way. I'm actually going to climb up here because there's something on the other side. Oh, here we go. Canal and River Trust, making life better by water. By water, not on the water. By, sorry, I thought CRT worked for us. So fair enough. That'd be something to look into. This is a private lane with public access. It does go down to a house at the end there, but we just have to see. So it's called Bee Hive Bridge because the pub used to be here called the Bee Hive, but no more. Got competition from the Marina pub, I think. Enjoy your day on the local canal. Make life better by water. I don't like the word by being used. So that whole stretch You can't actually moor there. Yes, the normal rubbish bins for dogs. Dogs seem to use them pretty good. Yeah. Is this a sign for badgers? I'm not quite sure of that. Okay, gonna wrap it up now. Have me moan. What do you lot think? What is going on? Surely this is not a problem. When I first started boating, this stretch just here, where that sign was, had a sign up saying £750 fine for mooring here. Somehow I don't get that. I'm just above Bradford and Avon, on the direction of Devizes, and I'm just down from the Bee Hive Bridge, where along the stretch you can moor up. Very tricky. You can't jump on to there, you have to jump over that lot in most places. The bank is giving way in a lot of places. So they've just come along and trimmed the edge, so at least you can see where you're aiming for to jump. Now it's quite a long way down, well, 10-minute walk. Lots of reeds that were planted about 20 years ago. If anyone knows the reason why they did that, just put it in the comments. Trees either side, not ideal for solar panels. Everything for dog walkers, but for people on boats, not so sure. See how wide it is here for jumping off into what? You don't know what's down there. It's just mud, water. Winter time, it's just sludge. You put your pins down, next day they come out. So, as I was saying, the trees. Well, we all love trees, but and along here, actually, that bunch up there for quite a distance, I call that Crow City. So they're all around here, come home to roost and make one hell of a din for about an hour. That's countryside. Up for that. I'm up for trees, I want trees, but if like every one tree is left out of 5, so you cut down 4, leave 1, cut down, we get sunlight. Now that is controversial in my book. I don't know. I mean, we're going to get rid of diesel, going to get rid of diesel engines, we're going to need solar power much more. Isn't this a case for getting rid of some, or the majority of them? Now the reason I go along with it is these trees, as far as I know, are not meant to be here. They're only here because there was no maintenance done, years ago. So the trees took old. They're dangerous. They fall in at the canal, fall onto boats, fall onto cyclists. Block the canal. Cost loads of money to deal with it. So what do we do? I mean, ideally, the government should come along, dig them up, plant them somewhere else where they're useful, which would be lovely. I mean, some of them are brilliant. Look at that rounded one. It's lovely. But, you look at these things for spindles, they're leaning already, when they're growing, over the canal. Yeah, blackberries, but, they need some kind of management. The other thing that's happened along here, I think they got up as far as here. Yep, I can see them. Is this plant here is a reinstated hedge, which is what all along here should be. Canals should have a hedge. So, so I just got to get out of the way of push bikes. All right.
Thank you.
Give a wave.
Hi.
All right.
Thank you.
Give a wave.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
All right, no worries. So yeah, cyclists use it as well. So I had to step into that lot. Not having a go at cyclists. I just don't like stingy nails. So yes, hedges. The canals used to be, apparently, edged by hedges on both sides. That's how they built them, put a hedge up to stop the animals escaping. But no, all gone. So that's a bit of a shame. Just on the other side of this side, there's a road called Moulton Drive, which is okay to park your car on. There's a few double yellows. People complained that people were parking there that live around the area, so they complained to the council and we got double yellow lines in different spots. No free parking for boaters allocated. That'd have been a nice gesture, I thought. But yeah, there is a no fishing sign because of those wires up there going across the canal. That's because when you throw a rod up, a line out, you could catch it if you're really good at throwing it up in the air. But there we go. Okay, well I'm gonna leave it here. I'll just go to these steps here that have been put in. Okay, take extra care. Narrow path. Well, this isn't the narrowest part of it, but okay. Take care of exclamation marks, narrowing bits, and cyclists. Dismount. Now, I bet no cyclists have ever been able to see that. Alright, have you seen this?
What's that?
It's like a message for cyclists. Now you're going along here, so I'm videoing for YouTube. So if you don't, you know, no. But and thanks for stopping, because this is like, you know, what's going on? Cyclists dismount.
Well, here.
Ooh, I know. What a reaction! Thank you. Yeah, I've paid for that sign to go up there in my licence, so I don't quite get that.
No, it's straight, isn't it?
I know. You're not going to see it, are you?
Literally.
Right.
You wouldn't see it at all.
Maybe it's for going up these steps,
I think it's.
but I can't see many cyclists cycling up them steps.
No.
Right.
I thought you'd need a...
So
the main road.
I'd discount it for a message for that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So yeah, shocking, absolutely shocking. Brilliant. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Well, so what was that sign for if no one's going to be able to read it, in my opinion? It says there have been 2 audits that have been coming out, in my opinion. I didn't want to do that. I really didn't want to do that. I just want to show it. That's what I want to do. I want to show stuff, and it's down to you viewers to comment, give your opinions. Not for me. I've got to keep strict on this. Okay, Crow City, last shot. Okay, see you again.